Green. Yeah, did that pink grenade drop down there? It's like 150 bucks.
Yeah, you can?
Yeah.
Alright, it's right here.
Come down. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's like 150. I ain't trying to lose it. Where?
Right here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Couple upstairs.
What's that?
Good job, dude.
Thank you. Pull back, pull back. Hey. Go, go, go. Right.
Who's up the top? What the fuck?
Dad. Green.
Oh.
Good job, guys.
Man, you've just been hiding in here.
No, I literally just entered. Green? Thanks, good. Oh, okay. That got you all. Green at the end. Green at the end. One more in there. One more. Sorry. Start. Hey, hey. He's hit, he's hit.
Too bad. Too fucking bad.
Alright.
See the same guy went around and killed you guys?
Oh, what, with the pink?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys didn't walk back.
No.
Naughty, naughty.
Our squad was here.
No, we're like, I don't give a fuck.
You guys died in the kitchen over there?
No. No. There's only 2 guys. Our whole squad's here now.
Oh, okay.
So that just came out of
Alright.
I thought you were like, I'm not gonna go back and kill him.
Yeah.
But you were still here.
Yeah. Boo. Green. You're good.
Holy shit. No, fuck.
You want us to come to you?
Did that get me? Yeah, I think I got me. Medic? Nah, he got me. Hey, medic. Yeah, I got it. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dude, they got a little bocce court in prison? What the fuck? Dude, is this a correctional facility or a resort? A bocce facility? Shit, dog. Now.
We got a group of 10 right here.
Now.
Or green, I mean.
Go. Let's move. Let's walk.
There's only one guy in control of the building.
Huh?
Rotate down now.
Did you just not call tan?
I'm green, bro.
Yeah, bro. Wait, colorblind?
That said tan. Was there somebody else who yelled, or was that you guys who yelled tan? Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Need a medic? I gotcha.
People coming down the stairs. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
What happened?
Set up. They're coming from the
They're
front.
coming here, though.
They're coming from the front.
They're coming from the front, not the back.
Yeah. K building is hot. The tan K building. Left side mic entrance. I'm gonna toss a nade. Mike nade's going out in 30 seconds.
Yeah, tourniquet.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Green, dude.
Oh my gosh, bro, I'm so dumb.
Thank you.
Christ, you're done from the back, bro.
Your one of your buddies got me back in. Thought I was tan. Yes.
Fucking shirt.